Hi friends, welcome to Creo Parametric. Today we are going to see the balance of constraints, which is the editing part, constraint part and dimensioning part. First, modify. Modify is nothing but changing the dimensions, line dimensions, same. Okay. So, modify generally means changing or altering any changes in the previously existing object. Okay, that's it. Then it is not that much used, but it's you can use here itself. Okay, here, see, click on the scroll button to show the dimensions. Okay, this is what the modify command. So you don't it is not mostly used because it can be modified here itself. So mostly modify command is not used here. Okay, you can drag, pick or drag anything else. Okay, this is the modify. Then moving on to delete segments. Okay, delete segments is nothing but trim. You are familiarly known about the trim command, where trim is used to cut the lines which are intersected. Clicking on the trim, the two intersecting edges. If you want to delete this line, the intersecting line it is the intersecting line bit for this line. So to delete this line, just click on the line. Okay, it will get into the trim command is only used for the intersecting lines. Okay, here you can see that both lines are intersecting together, so you can delete either this line or either this line. Okay, see here, this line, it's gone. Then and where it is intersecting here, yeah, this line and this line are intersecting, so click on there. Okay, this is what the trim command or delete segment for which it is used. Then moving on to the corner. Okay, corner means jointing the two edges, jointing or extending the lines to meet at the corner at a single point. Okay, so pressing on the control, click on the line. Okay, here you can see that clicking here, like here, and here you can see that it can be expanded till then. So clicking on this line. Okay, clicking on this line. Okay, sorry. Okay, control, clicking on this line. Oh, sorry, something wrong is going on. Here you can see that. Okay, solve, problem solved, and this line. The two edges are cornered because I show you again here. Selecting, sorry, corner, click here, and the line should be cornered. For example, where is this? Here we want, and thing should be here. Again, select the corner, select the first line, and the next line, and the other line to be corner. Here it is corner. The line will extend to a certain distance with a change in dimension. Okay, this is what the corner. Here can we try this lines? Pressing control and this line. Yeah, it's corner. The line expanded up to here. This line expanded up to here. The corner point is made here. Okay, this is what the corner. And divide is nothing but dividing the portion of the line. If you, for example, if you select clicking on the left button of the mouse and drag to the line, it will show you. For example, I'm dividing this single line. If you delete this line, it will go fully. If I undo this, and if I divided this line to a portion of segments 1, 2, okay, that's it. If I want to delete, I'm showing, if I clicking here and deleting this line, pressing the delete button in the keyboard, delete, the divided point will be gone, divided segment will be gone. and like here I'm selecting and delete. Okay, this is what the divide. You can divide the line or segment, any segments, into multiple number of points. Here you can see that 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this is what the divide. If you delete these lines, 1, you see, 2, the lines will be segmented into different multiple number of lines. Okay, this is what the divide. Clicking on it and plus deleting. Okay. Delete. Then vertical, horizontal and perpendicular, and tangent, midpoint, coincidence, parallel, equal, symmetry. Okay, we'll see you one by one. First of all, drawing a line here and here or here or here. Okay, first you can see vertical. This command is used to convert the horizontal lines into vertical lines. Okay, here you can see vertical. Clicking on horizontal line. Okay, here you can see that. Okay, if the lines are slanted in any directions or any type, here once again I will show you. Okay, delete karo, delete. Okay, here see, the lines are drawn in different dimensions and different angles. If I want to make these lines to vertical or horizontal, for now I'm showing you vertical. Click on this vertical and select the line to which you vertical. Here you can see the vertical line, and here vertical, and here you can see the vertical line, change of vertical line. If you want a horizontal line, click on the horizontal. Here it can show that horizontal. Then go to the line to which you make it horizontal. Click and the line should it's horizontal here and horizontal. Okay, here you can see all lines are verticals and horizontals. Then perpendicular is a line. Okay, here we can, perpendicular is also known as a normal. Making two lines are perpendicular. Here 1, okay, here 2, or here 3 or 4, anything. Okay, clicking on the perpendicular, select the line, press Ctrl, select the line to which the line should be perpendicular. Okay, the line was perpendicular. I show you one by one diagram. Okay, line, and I'm alternatively trying this. Okay, click on perpendicular command, select the line, baseline, and the line to be perpendicular. Yeah, it's perpendicular. Symbol indicates that perpendicular. This is what the perpendicular. It can be used for any type of lines and any directions of the lines. And in tangent, you're well known about the tangent. If you want to be tangent, see the lines on. If the two circle and the line should be tangent, click on the tangent command. First, for default method of selecting multiple numbers is pressing the control button. Okay, press control, circle on the line. Okay, the line will get tangent. Okay, then what the here you can see set tangent, control, click the line, the circle is tangent. Then go what's it is then midpoint. You well known about the midpoint. Okay, and selecting a line. Okay, selecting midpoint, selecting midpoint and select the line, baseline, press Ctrl and pick the point which is to be midpoint to the line. Okay, and selected this line and pressing Ctrl and midpoint. Okay, the line will get midpointed to. I show example clearly. One line is drawn. Okay, and another line to be drawn here, and here, yes, click on the midpoint, select the baseline, press the Ctrl and press the endpoint. Okay, endpoint of the line to be midpointed. Click, the line will get automatically into the midpoint. And same here also. Then multiple number of lines, Control. Okay, here select the line, it will get automatically control. Okay, here see midpoint, baseline and the endpoint, it get midpointed. Okay, this is what the midpoint. And then coincidence. Coincidence is nothing but meeting of the two lines. Okay, I will show you. Control. First, you draw a line for that coincidence, and line. You can draw it anyway. Okay. Click on the coincidence. Click the line, and the line to be coincident with that line. Press Ctrl and click. Then it will get coincidence. For these two lines to be coincident, click on coincidence. First, select the baseline. Okay, and press Ctrl and select the second line. It will get coincidence. You can see here the coincidence. Coincidence is nothing but joining the two lines. Okay, and then symmetry. Symmetry is, you well know about that. Symmetry can be drawn only if a center line is drawn. Okay, if a center line, select the center line, draw a center line. Okay, okay, now I can show you. For that, draw a rectangle of different, both the sides have different diameters, dimensions. Here and here is a small area, and here is a large area. To make this both equal dimensions. Okay, first go to symmetry, select the one edge. Okay, select the other edge and the center line. Sorry, I had something wrong. It's going on. Here is that. Select the symmetry. Here you select the corner. Okay, corner of the rectangle. Here Control, here Control, and then the center line. Okay, there you get symmetry. If you, that's it, automatically it will be centered. If you change the dimension, it will extend with equal dimension. Okay, if I change it into 20, sorry, 20, it will get an equal dimension. Okay, if you measure this both lines and here and here, okay, here and here, sorry, normal, and here, yeah, it's going to be 10, equally symmetry. Okay, that's it. Then it is a parallel, making the two lines to be parallel. Okay, simple, okay, and etc. Example I'm showing, both lines are not parallel. If the two lines to be a parallel, click on parallel. Here select the line and press Ctrl and select the line. The two lines will be get parallel. Then this shows that the lines are parallel. Parallel 1 and parallel 1 equal to, both lines are parallel. Okay, then moving on to the dimensions. You all will know about the dimensions, making dimensions to the lines and the segments. Okay, it will show here. Click on the normal, but it automatically shows here as what dimensions are already existing. Okay, in certain cases the dimensions will not be shown. At the case you want, at the case you click on the normal button, select the line and press the scroll button. Okay, here I can show you again. Click on the normal button, select the line, and make in which side the dimension should display. Move on here and press the scroll button. Okay, scroll, the dimension will appear here. You can change now 20. Okay, this is what the dimensions. And basically you should on these two parameters. Okay, it indicates the extrude shaded closed loops. Okay, if a surface is closed, it indicates the close, it is a closed loop. If it is on, it indicates. If it is off, it won't indicate. For example, if I am turning off it, a rectangle is a closed loop. Okay, you know it, it's not indicating like that. Okay, if I am turning on this, here's the, it not indicating any closed surface. If it is a closed surface, it should indicate in yellow color. If I turn off, it won't indicate. That's why it should always be turned on. And it is at highlighting opening ends. Okay, it will indicate an open ends. If any open ends is there, it will indicate. Okay, see here it is an opening. If I'm turning off, it won't indicate it. So both parameters should be turned on always. Overlapping geometry, okay, yeah, it is not normally used. Overlapping geometry is drawing a line on the same line. Okay, overlapping, and press escape for exit. See, overlapping. If I click on this, it shows that line is overlap. See, red color line. And where other overlapping, no. And here also red color line is indicating while I'm seeing red. Okay, this is what editing, constraint, and dimension, and inspect. From here the sketch class is over. In next class we see the part modeling and 3D animations. Okay, thank you.